Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 Binance Launchpool tokens under 20 million market cap. We're going to start with Memecoin, meme at number 1, followed by RDNT, Mines of Dalarnia, Sleepless AI, XAI, REZ, Alt, MANTA, Fusionist, and then we'll end it with MOBOX, and number 10. Let's get straight into it. Meme against USD. So for meme, we still have a target towards the downside at 0.007. So a little bit more to go. I'm probably going to breach 1 cent though. Okay, we're already under 1 cent. So more downside for meme. Right, again, look at this. This is more or less like a head and shoulders, right? This is a rising channel, right? Drop down. So I'm going to assume that we're going to have a, more likely than not, a bearish continuation towards 0.0074. Meme. Radiant Capital. Radiant against USD. We are collapsing. Lower and lower and lower. Any signs of a reversal? Nope. How much lower gonna Radiant. Let's look at it. Is there more data for us to work with? No, it's the same thing. So yeah, no signs of life yet. But there is a spike in volume. So I'm like, so the whales already making their move, right? This whole thing could become a squeeze for Radiant. Potentially, right? Potentially. But as it stands, yeah, we're not too sure. So we need to see this happen first. And then only do we jump in before it breaks out, right? We're still clearly far away from the skinny pink line. So more likely than not, we'll bounce back up, hit the skinny pink line eventually. But we still need to see the accumulation happen because this whole thing will still be a falling channel that hits lower. We could still turn into a head and shoulders, right? So we need to behave in a bullish manner first for Radiant before doing anything. Mines of Dalarnia, DAR against BTC. Here we are for DAR. The thing about DAR is I suspect we are in an accumulation and a break is not too far away. It may not happen this year. It may be in 2025, but I suspect we're in accumulation for Mines of Dalarnia. Usually when a bearish trend ends, we go sideways for a little bit before heading higher. Feels like that is happening over here. Right, down, I feel like we're going sideways for a while. And eventually, we return back up. More likely than not for DAR BTC. If you look at the USD pair for Mines of Dalarnia, looks the same to me. Right. Oh boy, I feel like there's something here. Orange. You see this? It's something like a inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder here, hit. This looks like a right shoulder to me. Ooh, there could be a breakout though. There could be a breakout, boys and girls. There could be a breakout. To $1 potentially. Right now we're at 15 cents. And if you were to look very closely, yeah, this whole thing is also a potential squeeze. In the making, lower highs and higher lows. Bam! And then we break out. Right. Again, it could be several months. It may not come immediately, but as it stands, yeah, I feel like there could be something for DAR here. Sleepless AI against USD. Sleepless AI is in a downward trend. Any signs of a reversal yet? Nope. Nope, not yet. Again, our hope is that it does something like this. ABCDE, right? Rising channel. What happened? We drop lower. Right. Something like a, okay, head and shoulders, I would say. Sorry. Rising channel as well. Right. Again, another rising channel. Right. It will just keep going down until one fine day it doesn't. Until one fine day it stops. Until one fine day we get a bullish reversal chart pattern. But as it stands, yeah, nope, AI is going lower, more likely than not. XAI against USD. Oh, there's a lower low. Any signs of a reversal? Nope. But lower lows could mean a potential reversal because this whole thing could be the setup for an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout. Potentially. But as it stands, nope. We're going lower and lower. Right. Something like a head and shoulders as well. Something like a descending as well. Yeah, nope. Be careful about rushing in. We dropped to the very low of about 16 cents. Could we be breaking to 15 cents? Maybe going to 10 cents? Okay, 10 cents is quite a lot. Yeah, but there's nothing much for us for XAI. So yeah, we will keep it in our watch list. REZ. I think for REZ, just like XAI. A lower low here. A potential reversal in the cuts. But you still do not know the answer to the question yet. Is this the bottom? At 3.19. Okay, we're probably going to breach 3 cents though. That's my guess. Probably going to breach 3 cents. Yeah, look at this rising channel. Yeah, nope. So nothing much for REZ. Altlayer, alt against USD. Here we are for alt. Yeah, I think more likely not. We're going lower. Right. It's a higher low. Potential descending. Could be heading lower. Over here, we had a head and shoulders. You see this? Left shoulder is a head. Then we get a right shoulder here. You see that? Pump, we're down. Rising channel. Pump, we're lower. A mini rising channel. Yeah, I suspect we're going lower. So we're probably gonna breach 7 cents again. We did breach it once here. Yeah, nope, more downside for alts. We're not too sure how much lower, but very likely more downside. Manta is also very likely more downside. Similar movements, right? XAI, Sleepless AI, REZ, alt, Manta, it's all down. And potentially a reversal could be in the cuts. This ties in very well with if you looked at BTC dominance, right? It ties in very well. I suspect that eventually one fine day you're gonna see BTC dominance come back under the skinny pink line, and that is true blue alt season, even when it happens, right? So yeah, that's Altlayer. Were we looking at Manta? Yeah, no, down. Manta, more likely than not, is going lower. Ace, I suspect, could be the same thing. Look at this. It's all the same. So when it rises back up, everything will be rising as well. So yeah, it could be easy mode though. It could be easy mode soon. But again, we still need to see the reversal come in first. At this point of time, yeah, I suspect there's still more downside. So, you know, you gotta wait for it to finish first before it reverses. There will be signs though, I would assume. There will probably be a hammer on the higher time frames, probably on a weekly or monthly. But as it stands, yeah, it's not looking that good. MOBOX, MBOX against USD. Anything for MBOX? Nope, it's still a downer. Still a downer. We were hopeful though the MBOX could have had a inverse head and shoulders, but yeah, it's weak. It just keeps dropping lower and lower. So yeah, be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for MBOX. We are aware that the volume is already rising, right? But this is a head and shoulders in the making. Looks like it. You see this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Oh boy, it could be heading to sub 10 cents. So yeah, be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for all of these coins. There is potential, but we're not too sure where the bottom is yet. So stay safe. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for today's Binance Launchpool TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!